see the world's largest fish? Wanna know some amazing facts about marine animals? Come travel with me till the end of my video. Hi! We are at the entrance of the aquarium. Kaiyukan Aquarium is located in the ward of Minato near Osaka Bay. We are at the Osaka Aquarium in Japan. This is one of the largest aquarium in the world.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark.
So you got this?
Yes. It's biting me. Get away. You are biting me. Get away from me. Kaiyukan, there are over 15 large tanks and the centerpiece of the aquarium. Pacific Ocean is 9 meters deep and is the home of whale sharks. With the land of terrestrial animals, take the spiral ramp from the 8th floor to the 4th floor. Find yourselves stepping into various levels of sea until the ocean floor. See what I got? I'm gonna stamp it now.
What are you gonna do?
Stamp. This is for that. See, I have stamped it. Okay, this is a tunnel-shaped tank at the entrance. I feel like walking under the water. Otters are carnivorous mammals, feed on fish and insects. Do you know babies of otters are called pups? They are of playful nature. This is the Antarctic Ocean area. Penguins are aquatic flightless birds. Do you know their wings have evolved into flippers? I was lucky to be there during its feeding time. See how it's eating small fishes. The sea lion, you see that? Its face is like a lion. Yes. Whale shark is the largest known living fish in the world. Grows up to about 18 meters or 60 feet long. It is called whale shark as the fish's size is as large as whales and a filter feeder like baleen whales. But whales are not fishes, they are mammals. Do you know whale sharks have very large mouths and are filter feeders? They gulp in large amount of waters and filters out the planktons and small fishes and eat them. They are no threat to humans. See how he is feeding the whale shark? Japanese giant spider crab. Do you know it has the longest leg of any arthropod family? Each leg grows up to 5 meters long, 4 times my height, and it lives up to 100 years. Hey, look! I have found my favorite fish over there.
No.
It's Nemo. Nemo clownfish. See, you see that?
You enjoyed the Osaka Aquarium?
Yes!
What all you saw, Aryan?
Stingray, black spotted ray, whale shark, Japanese giant spider crab, then a penguin and sea lion.
Wow! Then?
Jellyfish.
And your favorite Nemo?
Yes! Clownfish.
So you saw a lot of things.
Yes!
Okay.
Bye! Bye-bye!